In this video, I'm going to show you what happens if you delete the App Store application from your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Here I got an App Store icon. I can hold down and on it, then tap on Remove App and remove it from the home screen. And now, if you are wondering how you can install applications, in that case, all you have to know about App Store is that Apple does not allow you to completely delete the App Store app from your device. So, if you have deleted your App Store icon from home screen, all you have to do is swipe over to the left until you find App Library, and here you can search for App Store and then just hold down that icon and move it back to the home screen and then tap on Done. Now you can tap on that icon and upload here some apps as you want. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.